What if the biggest reason people stay stuck in life is because they spend all their energy trying to avoid pain? What if real growth, peace, and maturity actually begin the moment we stop running from difficult truths? In this video, I'm sharing key ideas and personal reflections from The Road Less Traveled by M. Scott Peck. This classic book combines psychology, discipline, spirituality, and emotional growth to explain how people can build a more meaningful and mature life. The book begins with one famous sentence: "Life is difficult." And according to M. Scott Peck, many emotional problems begin when people refuse to accept this reality. The central message of the book is this: personal growth requires discipline, responsibility, honesty, and the willingness to face discomfort instead of avoiding it. One of the most important lessons in the book is that discipline is essential for emotional and personal growth. Many people want happiness without responsibility or effort, but discipline helps us make healthier long-term decisions instead of chasing temporary comfort. Short-term discomfort often creates long-term peace. The book explains that maturity begins when people stop blaming everyone else for their problems. Taking responsibility gives you power to change. Stop seeing yourself only as a victim of circumstances. Reflect honestly on your choices and behaviors. Focus on what you can improve and control. Growth begins with accountability. M. Scott Peck describes love not simply as a feeling, but as an action and commitment to growth. Real love supports emotional and spiritual development. Practice patience and understanding. Communicate honestly. Support growth in yourself and others. Healthy relationships require intention and effort. One powerful message in the book is this: problems do not disappear when ignored. In fact, avoidance often increases stress, anxiety, and emotional pain over time. Face difficult conversations sooner. Solve problems step by step. Accept discomfort as part of life. Courage reduces long-term suffering. The book emphasizes honesty with ourselves. Many people stay emotionally stuck because they avoid uncomfortable truths. Self-awareness creates transformation. M. Scott Peck explains that emotional and spiritual growth never truly ends. Life constantly teaches lessons through challenges and relationships. Stay humble and teachable. Keep improving emotionally and mentally. Understand that growth takes patience and time. A meaningful life is built gradually through conscious effort. One lesson I personally took from this book is this: many people spend years trying to avoid discomfort without realizing that growth often exists inside the discomfort they fear. This book reminded me that maturity is not about having an easy life. It's about learning how to face life honestly and courageously. The Road Less Traveled reminds us, real growth requires discipline, responsibility, honesty, and courage. The easier path may feel comfortable temporarily, but the path of growth creates deeper peace and meaning over time. If this message resonated with you, comment "Choose Growth" below as a reminder to face life with courage and responsibility. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs encouragement to keep growing through life's challenges today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.